Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do Instagram Reels on your iPhone. So here I already have my Instagram open. There is several ways that you can do here. If you want to do it directly and easily, you can just slide your home page into the left side. Make sure that you are in a home page which with this home symbol here, and if you're already here, you just need to slide the screen into the left side until you have an access into the story sections. And then after that, please take a look on this bottom or options here. There is several options that we can choose, either post, story, reel, or live. Since we want to make a reels, let's go do reels. And after that, we have several features here. Either we want to add an audio, use an effect, green screen, and many more. And we also can adjusting the length of the reels. Okay, let's make a short one, 15 seconds. And after that, you also can do or adjusting the speed of the video. There are several speed here, but today let's try the normal one. And there is also a timer. It helps you to put down or start automatically after a few seconds that you can choose here. You can make it 3 seconds or 10 seconds. And after you done setting the timer, you can just click set timer. But if you want to record directly, you can just hold this button and start to catch the moment. Okay. And after you finish catching the moment, you can do the next to do further editing. Okay, you can click edit video. So you can trim the length of the video if you find out the video is quite long. And here there also add clips, means that you can add more clips by recording another one. But if you don't want to have an add clips, just go back. And if you want to add a music or audio, go into the audio, and Instagram will give you a lot of music that you can choose here. Okay. And after you finished, just go back by slide down this section. And if you want to add a text, go into the text and type what do you want to have in this. Okay, and after you finish, you can adjust in the size of this. Okay, after you adjusting the size, adjusting the place or the positions, then click done. And you also can adjusting the length of the text. I want the text appear since the beginning of the video. Okay, and after we finish about everything that we have for the reels, click here. You can do a preview. Okay, so after you done with the video, you can write captions, and after that just go back and click share. That's how the way you do Instagram Reels on your iPhone. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.